Today I'm going to show you something really cool and awesome. It's how to install Mac on a Windows. Well, I know you can run Parallels and Boot Camp in Mac to run Windows, but this time I'm going to show you how to install Mac, more precisely El Capitan, on Windows. That's great. That's where you can actually go do your stuff, run Xcode, and put Kodi on your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV 4, whatever you want to do, and you don't have to buy a Mac. So I'm going to give you step by step everything you need. I'm going to put in the description. So what you basically need is a VMWare Player 12, or whichever is the latest, and then this RAR file that I have here, WinRAR. You're going to need WinRAR to make extract it, or 7-zip, it's fine. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and install VMware. It's free. So let's go, give it a couple seconds. Alright, now we're finished. Just go ahead and click on finish. How convenient. Yay. Once it has finished, all you got to do is go, it's right here. Let's go ahead and run it. Ask you for the email address. That's fine, because it's not a commercial. So go ahead and put the email address. Don't put my email address, put yours. No, thank you. Alright, now this is perfect. We're done with this. Now just close it. And we're gonna come over here and we're gonna unzip the, extract this. And let's extract it to its own folder. This is gonna take a while because it's 6 point something gigabytes, so let it run. Alright, now that it has finished, all we have to do is come on over here. And we want to go inside Unlocker. Alright, Unlocker one more time. There we go. So what you want to do once we're here, you want to come down to Win Install, this one right here, and we want to right click and put Run as Administrator. And just let it run. Okay, once that has completed, all we have to do is launch again VMware. Now we want to open a virtual machine. Now remember where you say you made this folder, which is called whatever you want, Capitan, right? When this comes up, you can say skip this version and remind me later. I'm gonna say, yeah, you know what? Yeah, skip this. So I'm gonna go to my folder where I installed all the folders, all the files. So this one, and this is the only one you can click. So we're gonna go ahead, select it, and it's gonna run. Now what we want to do is we want to do edit virtual machine settings. Now I have here 8 gigs of RAM for Mac, 4-core processor, which is fine. Hard disk is, I believe that's the maximum size. We don't need to do anything else here. USB controller present, auto detect, all of this is fine. Don't change anything else, and let's hit OK. And let's play virtual machine. When you see that that's fine, just click. Do you want to try to connect the visitors every time you power it up? Just click yes. Alright. This is fine. Click OK. Alright, so we're back over here and you can kind of see that this is Mac ready. So we're going to choose United States. It's fine. Continue. Now once you get this down here, I recommend you to go ahead and install tools. See, we're going to choose where you're from, the US or Canada. That's fine. Continue. From a Mac 10 machine, but don't transfer any information now. Enable location service on this Mac. No, I don't want it. Don't use right now. Fine. Now go ahead and enter your Apple ID. And then this will be your password. Terms and conditions, nobody reads this. I agree. Fine. Use my cloud account to log in. You know what? Don't. Well, here you can do whatever you guys want. I'm gonna leave it like this, so it's fine. And then account name. Then you can change your picture. Fine. America. Okay, cool. Continue. It's a little buggy right now because we need to install some tools, and then after we install the tools, it's gonna be pretty cool. Alright, set up by cloud keychain. You know what? Set up later. I don't want to do this right now. But again, if you want to, go ahead and do it. Alright, it's fine. You can actually just come over here and click, right? Or you get it down there. No, don't send anything. It's fine. Continue. And it's setting up the Mac. And here you go, guys. Copy done. It's installed on your Windows machine, and you can work on it. Now there's more stuff, a little bit more stuff we need to use, because as you can see right now, if I launch this, watch. That's pretty bad. We don't want that right now. So I'm going to tell you and show you how to fix that. What we need to do right now is go ahead and click on this. It's fine. We need to install the VMware tools. Double click it. And we'll just go through the installation now. Continue. 6.5, that's fine. Install it, go ahead and put your password. Alright, continue. Now, perfect, that's finished installing. Now what we want to do is asking us to restart. So guess what? Let's go ahead and restart. Alright, perfect. So as you can see here, now look at this, it's very responsive, it's not laggy or buggy at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my password. I'm gonna log in. And it's so far, it looks great. Let's launch this. That was pretty good. Now I wanna go ahead and do a full screen. Alright, it resizes to 1080p, that's great. This is, guys, this is full-blown Mac right here, and it's working great. Let's try the dock, magnification, Genie effect. Yeah, guys, this is amazing. It's great. That's all I can say. So, and then let's see, automatically hide and shut the dock. There we go. Now this is how we're working. I didn't need to buy a Mac. I didn't need to get anything else related. So, and it is a full-blown Mac. And if we come over here and it says about this Mac, Mac processor, that's fine, gigahertz, 8 gigs, tech reviews, you know, that's the guy that did the thanks to that guy you guys have this VMware, so thank you very much to tech reviews. That was awesome. This does not reel like that. Then storage, showing the 83 gigabytes. Memory, that's the 8 that we gave it. Display, it's going to show my, it's not really that, but alright. And everything else works. Now let's see if we can actually go to the App Store. And we'll start downloading Xcode. And this is, guys, this is working great. So go ahead, Xcode, install app.